asase atona na chem asase wa no afa wanya asase bi no say wade na de na
never into the end. So what?
Me to the end.
Am I not sweet? Sister Jenny,
you are not sweet. Na kasa sa me ma na dey chop wo no he who ofe ba se me pe wa me who about time me friend you wo ba ba chop me we so me that
trap.
Yeah.
No, what are you telling me for?
What do you mean? I'm not what do you mean? What do you mean now?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Oh, and I catch up. This is last warning. This is last warning. Some of this is last warning. Some of you want to settle.
Very well crossing.
I'm your crossing. Yeah.
Oh, Judy, we are crossing.
Yeah. You specific to car.
Who
specific to car. Oh, me pay. Fa. You want to be? And I'm just out the 20 years from above. And I'm saying, me,
Madam, what's in there?
Only, me, Papa, sister, so are they?
I saw some pelco.
Sister,
hey, let you son out here.
No, come on, you need to see of you. And come on, come to see if you come to see what if you have to me? You have to me. No, what's this?
Sales booking at that no. Okay. Since morning, you pay me a separate number. That's right. And I think. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hello? Mother? Oh, me okay. My bedroom, I'm not a sales now, my girls, my man, and all. I say, can I do money made or my and then entirely. Yeah. Can't me, but me who so? Mother, my friend back by Judy friend. Okay. Hello, Jude. Good morning. You have a pronounce way. Me and me person me friend now. What Friday I am fancy when you friend. Discussion now. Let me have a concerning the pregnancy. Yeah, Matthias say. Yeah. I know so beginning na me se menye me nipa na kwa koda adwene ho onim chirwa ye me friend o ye me best friend asa na Michelle oh me ne society aye ni ama bebre abo ye se nua me tin betray ne sa so what you say me tin betray no with my guilty conscience and feel right de bia na maye asa me dwendwe ne ho sa It's just about 2 months. I can't. Nah, me, I'll be showing me. I wouldn't feel much pain. Even if I feel pain, it's for the love of my friendship with Chirwa. Into no, I'll never be just gonna make their happy. My friend of Sandy Busan amount to my country and my country. Oh, me okay. Don't worry. Me are very okay. Yes, me okay. It's gonna benefit the three of us. Only Chirwa, Miss having a peace of mind. If you understand the bedroom, I'm still so coffin, be I don't know, say, but then I'm a Chirwa, and I'm so, I'm so today. I don't really know. Okay, my turn, I'm a feel. Alright, thank you. I have to do it. I have no option than to do it. Echa, me take clients no I just saw Basia. Why? Mama customers too be a bomb about patch treat you come one way. Me can't keep going. I'm in for about 5.
Good evening. Good evening.
Okay.
Thank you. We didn't catch you. Don't come on now. Judy.
Don't come over there.
Now we'll catch and say, when you.
Yeah.
It's in.
Really?
It's in you. Among Sister, what? And you say you go. Nyankopon kura chi wade ba kon wiase and the Bible no kura 10 commandments na wom eni se nipa wodi ewu ko so ji fi osi ewu wodi ewu so won fi 100 aka 99 ti me sister woman no woto ne na so woman no edi na otwen ina ti fi adri die pa na otwen wa babo yimu sister e bi kwa na sebio miss remika o e bi a obaye ba akopɛ ene show you.
Yes, okay, sister. Thank God. So at least when you be of when you say I'm in so. Me that's it. Now say me be feeling share with that.
Me them me share them. Me share them.
You be on the be who be power say.
Me that's it. Come say. Na say wa wu na say oba hye wachi ana say bonche mu na de ni ko we na. Sister, ka de na efe ni say. Efe. Enfinu. Script de be mo bia save. Akoto bank account mu. Na top pampers. Diapers, ton kwala ni amagugo. Oya odi okache so see. Can say where you be one say wo fu na pie. Now na wo pa na no kasa ti sekan. Apa we mu ya kwa na to. Sister ni. What? Na me shop. Tu ya. Ni what?
Acho mate. Usa ofre na me ye code.
Mate.
Na me shop.
Bye bye. Enyi me enyi woman no.
What's saying? You know, Sammy Saturday.
I don't know what shop about you if you was.
Oh, shop, Papa Bay. It's the other you mean right to say, maybe I will shop and
Baby, why the mouth 2 minutes for Nancy?
Eh, me 2 minutes, I'm the buy. Me 2 minutes.
We are met or damn boys, no up you with us.
Oh, really? Why not? I say. Why not?
You are in front of my shop. And now, baby, can't say much for me.
Abby.
Sister Boo.
Abby. Get rid of this thing. Like,
I should get rid of
bastard.
You are silly. You are insane. Abby. Crazy girl. Abby. You call my baby a bastard.
You are talking
about damn.
Oh, really? Like,
do you think I'm scared of you? Do you think I'm scared of you? You are my friend, so what? I wouldn't get rid of this pregnancy. Me you good name, you good shina.
Oh, then we shall see.
What would you do about it?
Jane,
I'll bet my phone.
What's it?
Jane, I'll bet my. You're just running your mouth. Excuse me, get off my shop.
Oh, for real? Who pushing me from the shop?
Who am I?
Who pushing me?
Who are you?
Abby, then I think say it's over between the two of us. I think say it's over if this like I don't even know what to say.
You are making me laugh in Greek. It's over between us.
Sure.
Me know we joined for 1967. I don't regard you as a friend with me. You cross my downfall. Adamfo Ben and Otimi catch and uncle say on in the kunu eko ye bibi or you abegina kasa should get rid of the pregnancy. Hey, bibi ye wa adwen on. Bibi ye wo tiri mo. Who did you fashion dem gumo?
Like
Adanya it's over between us.
Then you see what Abby wo.
Who ye nyame?
Who Abby?
Who ye nyame ana?
Who kasa back at me? Who Abby?
Who are you?
Oh.
Who are you?
We shall see.
Hey, come back here. Who are you?
Abby.
Who are you?
Oh.
Do you want me to show you the other side of me? Come to slide. Don't say me say no ko bi na. What say me no ko bi ma na? Hey sister.
Oh, like
my bro, you
is it a joke or something?
Yeah, you are coming to my shop. When you are there, me shop and me. I be catch me say then.
We shall see. We shall see. Me money now I be say me calling me as a friend. We done.
I don't want you
we
as a
done.
friend. Me power down floor. Me power down floor. Atare na show no beji wa se no tua e. Wo beji wa se no tua e. Me wa down fu na me de cha wo se fa no. Ene wanya no ba be kasa wa ha. Esine abnamu ifa. So mu hu wa se bi mo so mo po mo rush up ma. Wo bo dem de be yo mo. One nanti de wo na ya ba ro me shop. Mo ba mo bi asay. No the infection aba be go. Nonsense. Se ma ko fa wukunu. Ba ko fa wukunu na dan na nyam me ko yingu. Se ni se won ti ko ti bi wa ifa. O ko ti bi wa ifa kire we. Me nyi gu na enyi gu tsina. Wukunu no se me ti me so ani. So ya na ma fa na fa be ya ma na adwen njimi o. So nonsense.
Anyhow, it's me bell, so I was saying, tell me what gate my son wants me by. No, mentally, yes. The antenna, me no call, like, me no I have affair, like 1 year. I'm person me chow say, clear off, me say the good. My friend, pick him quiet, get a how. Shoot, into my open my agent has say, am I? No, I was saying yet the chance, because oh, Yama say, oh, let me lock my door. No, lock the door. Oh, lock the doors and when I do, Jamaican is so tear me. Me say, I did not open. I did. Shoot, what's my dressing me, question? It's an argument is not bad. No, I said, you're in your fair. I saw it to no, for them. No, be much short, Kakra. I have some number. No, clear off. Yes, I mean, wait, I'm no better now. So, TV, and when I do. Because the minimum sense, so and I what don't have a good so. Oh, Baba, I want to make good so. Take good so anytime. But if I saw just say, Claire, at the end free home. Let me hold Tommy. As I may take me down in that. Did I make a one take?
Hello. Midian is Savannah Safo. Me can for you TV. I'm on Bibia Canada had no one near Freddy Jenny. I want to be who know my papa and then some papa and it's just some I also to me can for you TV. I'm on Bibia. Bye bye.